Threads just dropped a huge update. A brand new DM inbox is here, and it's a total game changer. Want to see what's inside? Let's dive in. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech news hotspot. Today we're unpacking Threads' latest DM feature. Big news from Meta. On June 10, 2025, CEO Mark Zuckerberg announced that Threads is testing its own DM inbox separate from Instagram. No more app switching to chat. Threads is stepping up. This is one of the most requested features, and it's finally happening. Right now, the DM feature is for one-on-one chats only. No group messages yet. It's being tested in Hong Kong, Thailand, and Argentina, with a global rollout planned soon. Whether you're a content creator or just chatting with friends, this dedicated inbox keeps things clean and simple. Before, Threads users had to rely on Instagram's inbox or couldn't DM at all. Instagram even prototyped sending Threads messages to Instagram DMs. But now, a separate inbox makes life easier, especially for businesses and creators juggling multiple platforms. It's giving major X vibes. This is just the start. Meta's listening to users, and with DMs being a top request, we might see group chats or more features down the line. For now, the one-on-one focus keeps it streamlined, and we're hyped to see where it goes. Threads' new DM inbox brings it closer to being a true social media powerhouse. Whether you're in Hong Kong, Thailand, Argentina, or waiting for the global launch, this update makes Threads a must-watch platform. Say hello to smoother, private chats. Are you ready to DM on Threads? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for the latest tech scoops.